Hey guys, Jeff the maintenance man. The train's running. The American standard is not. And I don't have anything on a thermostat, so I was thinking maybe a relay control. This is our simplex fire cutoff relay control that just sits here. Anyway, look at this nice piece of work right here. Why would you do that? Well, I did, and I can feel cold air coming out of the duct. It makes this thing sweat a little bit more now, and there's it's all just taped in soft duct. All this is soft duct taped in. The tape's peeling off of the side of the unit as expected. Definitely over on this side as inspected. All that right there doesn't stick anymore really. So I was just in the middle of taking the panel off to see if we got a blown fuse because my thermostat's blank. But thermostat did have batteries in it, so I just want to check the fuse while I'm here. So it's just because it does have a common and stuff ran to it. So yeah, we're just, here's my nice little carpet cleaner and my ACD 15 Pro. Yeah, just electrical room. Yeah, checked the breakers already. They're good. No power going to that thermostat whatsoever, so it's not going to work regardless. So, something blew a fuse somehow or another. Good Lord. There's like 18 different dang sizes of... Look at this crap. Yeah, it's hard to show up too good on camera. Anyway, big, gigantic. Oh, missed a screw, dummy. Jeff, you dummy. You missed your screw, bro. Don't bend it. It's probably 17 feet long. Yeah, not too bad. Oh Lord Jesus. Stop. Stop. Alright, get this over here. My question is if there is a fuse, it's gonna be in there. Check your filter. Look at those wires, man. Ew. It's not an ECM motor though. I like that. I think we might have a blown fuse, but better to check. Around here it might. Oh, that wasn't good. Freak. I'll get that out later. I got a little magnetic wand. I'll probably fish that out with us. I'm not gonna do it this time. Ah, first AC problem I've had here since. Alright, yeah, we got a blown fuse. My question is, why did the fuse blow? Got a blown fusey. I don't know how good that's lighting up for you guys right there, but considering I haven't turned off the power to this unit, I'm not going to mess with it too much, but why did it blow the fuse? And where do I get another fuse? Because, alright, this is mains in, okay. That goes to the transformer. Why did it blow the fuse? Contactor, American standard, carrier, same thing. Basically, I need to go to the outside unit probably and investigate the contactor, because that's telling me something right there, that this has been replaced before. This one says bad on it, but that's a good hint that they have multiple contactors up here. Either they're ordering the cheap ones and they're blowing the fuses or whatnot. But in the meantime, let me go get my Short Pro. I'm gonna put it on here, and if it goes tick, 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 tick every time the compressor comes on, then we'll know to go out there and take a look at that and see what's going on with that. Let's do that. Anyway, there she is. That's what I need. I usually keep it inside of this. That's just an extra bit. It's an extra cap, but Short Pro tool. Thanks, Lex, for mentioning that in your video, because this thing really does save you some time. So let's go see if it's a contactor, and I'm afraid I'm gonna have to outsource this one, guys. I don't have a contactor, so I'm gonna have to call an AC company, because as you can see, we're in very tight quarters and stuff. So, but yeah, that should give me an idea what's going on without even having to go out there. So we'll see. All right, guys, we're back. Here's what I'm gonna do. Usually don't do this live, but if I get lit up, it'll be a good show. There we go. There's one. And going back into the transformer, go a little Short Pro on here. No short. That blew the fuse, but there's no short. Okay. Well, it should turn on then, right? I mean, unless it blew the transformer. Possibility. Good. But we might have a 5-minute delay. We'll go check that out real quick. You'll just look at that beautifulness that I just created. Alright, so thermostat has power, and it's on a 5-minute delay, looks like, but it was already satisfied. This is definitely our unit. I just don't know what unit it is outside. Okay, so the way this Short Pro works is if this thing fires up, it'll light up a blue light. I think it's blue, and don't want to move it too much because whatever, but that little light right there will light up, saying it's shorted. And sometimes you'll get this jerking, and you just rip the thing off. And if that's the case, you probably have a bad contactor. This one also has the relay up top, but I don't think that's going to be our issue today. But fun in the sun. time here. When it fires up, we'll be right back. And of course, while we wait, I'll change out the filter. That's the front. That's the back. It's not bad, but if I don't change it today, it might be another 6 months till it's changed. It's been about 3 months actually since that's been changed. Just got these. It's not too bad. I think our 5 minutes has been up because I've been messing around, so something ain't working. I did move the indicator up there, that Pro Short tool is up there. Let me go check the thermostat one more time, just to make sure. Alright, well. Whoa. Barely close that door with that air coming out of that thing. Lord Jesus. Now, I don't know why I blew the fuse, guys, but I just went to the thermostat, turned it on, forced it on, and it's working. It's gonna suck that living crap out. But I'm gonna have to kill it. See if I can find a fuse. So, short Pro tool saves your ass a little bit sometimes. See if I can find a 3-amp fuse somewhere in my office. I doubt it, but that's technically all it is. Some of the contactors look like they replaced. Said they were bad. I don't know why they kept them around if they were bad. But, this one right here, just probably because it was rusted. Doesn't look bad, but I mean, it could be. I don't know. Not gonna ohm it out right now. But yeah, okay, so we need a fuse. I don't know why I blew. Maybe it got in between something, or maybe a lizard crawled over the contactor and shorted the 2 leads. I don't know. Could be anything, but yeah, we got a new filter, and on is a fuse. So, guys, I'm probably not, to be honest with you, I'm probably not going to film me putting the fuse and putting the cover back on. So, at this point, thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I'm Jeff the Maintenance Man. Until next time, guys, stay safe.